One little side thing before you screw your board back on to the case, you need to the front, take your X-Acto knife and shave down, cut down the little ring. There's a little lip around this ring. If you don't trim this down, at least to the case, it will crimp those wires. And that's what I was talking about in earlier testing. We were having a heck of a problem, and what I found was this was what was causing the crimp wires and the cut wires. And since I've learned how to do that, I haven't had a problem on the few cameras that I've hacked. So very important, before you install your board back on, do that.